Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the StarHeroes token. Now it was just announced that the StarHeroes token is going to be getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the StarHeroes token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 12th at 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. Now I know Gate is not available in everybody's area in the world and everybody's country, so we're going to go over a couple different ways to get this token. But the first one is Gate, and you can get it by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or go to gate.io and open an account on your PC. And then fund your account with USDT after you open an account. And then go into the trade section and search StarHeroes, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. So we're going to go over in a second here how another way to get this token, but this is an Arbitrum token. There's a max total supply of 700 million tokens. Now StarHeroes, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. 10% of the tokens go to decentralized user acquisition, 14% foundation, 6.52% seed round, 2.86% pilot community round, 2.72% public sale, 10% central exchange IDO, 10% GameSwift DAO treasury, 6% operational, 38% locked DAO war chest, and 9.55% goes to liquidity. Now their webpage can be found at starheroes.io, and they have an airdrop campaign going on there that you can click on that. You can also click on StarHeroes gameplay, review that section. They also have a document section, and it'll take you to wiki.starheroes.community. So in StarHeroes, players dive into intense, fast-paced galactic multiplayer battles. As the first ever space shooter designed for esports, the game provides a whole new player experience of competitive gaming. Get ready to show off your skills and join the fight. So they have different factions. It says the conflict that takes place in the game consists of 3 varied races that are fighting for the domination of cosmic territory, and most importantly, the precious star material. So there is the Guardians, and then there's the Interstellars, and then there's the Degens. So they have the Degen tribe. I'd probably join the Degen tribe for sure. So they have the modular design. In the development of StarHeroes, every significant component is designed in a modular fashion, allowing the game design team to efficiently utilize them across various parts of the game ecosystem. This modular approach is not only advantageous for internal development, but also empowers the StarHeroes community to actively engage in game development by creating and releasing community-built modes and assets. This inclusivity makes StarHeroes accessible and appealing to a diverse range of users, including both Web 2 and Web 3 players, content creators, game developers, designers, as well as investors seeking speculative opportunities or long-term passive income options. It's important to highlight while these modules operate independently, they intersect and allow players to leverage achievements from one module across the entire game ecosystem, including all available game modules. This interconnectedness enhances the overall gaming experience, offering players the opportunity to capitalize on their progress and achievements seamlessly throughout the game. Initially, StarHeroes will be comprised of two principal game modules. Number one is the Space module. So a space shooter desktop PC game module which relies heavily on the esports competition coupled with a smooth Web 2 friendly UX, and the Hero module, a role-playing game web browser game module which provides a casual and fun Web 3 experience for players willing to utilize all of their intricacies of blockchain by taking advantage of the trustless transactional aspect of this technology. So it's going to be decentralized at its core. So it's going to have community-driven development, decentralized esports tournaments, governance empowerment, revenue distribution, yield-bearing game assets, and a sustainable economic design. So if you want to review the entire section about gameplay, if you go to their wiki that I mentioned earlier, you can find game modes, star push, team deathmatch, weapon system. You can review their economy, so they have proof of play, leaderboards, currency, heroes, NFT tournament maps, spaceships, fuels, and different seasons. And then they have the tokenomics. So they have a whole section about the overview here. So they have this star token as well, where you could purchase hero NFTs, level up players, NFT hero, purchase of missions of the player's NFT hero, purchase of features, reducing missions, so basically all sorts of in-game stuff, and governance, all these things on here. And they have a Gate listing announcement. You can check that out at gate.io/article/29892. You can see the listing announcement for this project here. Now, on their webpage, if you scroll all the way down, you can find their socials too. So they have YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Those are interesting. So usually I put a Twitter up right here. I don't see a Twitter on their webpage, so maybe I'll just put the Gate listing announcement up here so you guys can see that. But yeah, really cool webpage though, with lots of cool artwork and game stuff on here. So they have an NFT section, roadmap, tokenomics section, all on their webpage too. Real easy to find everything there. And you're going to find tons of info on that wiki, so check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.